Understanding the political divide, bridging differences. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant topic, especially in today's world, the political divide. Understanding this concept is crucial for not just navigating news and discussions, but also for playing an informed role in our communities and countries. Let's dive into what the political divide means and how it impacts society. The term political divide refers to the significant difference in opinions, beliefs, and choices between groups within a society, especially when these groups align with specific political parties or ideologies. This divide can manifest in various aspects of life, including elections, legislative processes, and public debates. It's not just about differing opinions, it's about how these opinions form deep-seated divisions among people. Several factors contribute to the political divide. These include 1. Ideological differences. Fundamental differences in beliefs and values can create a divide. For example, views on freedom, equality, and governance can vary greatly. 2. Media influence. Media outlets often have their own biases. The way news and events are presented can sway public opinion and deepen the divide. 3. Social and economic factors. Differences in social background, education, and economic status can lead to varied perspectives on what's best for society. The political divide can have significant consequences. 1. Polarization in society. It can lead to increased tension and less tolerance for opposing views, making constructive dialogue challenging. 2. Legislative stalemate. A deep divide can lead to gridlock in legislative bodies, with parties focusing more on opposing each other than on collaborating for the common good. 3. Impact on daily life. The divide can seep into everyday interactions, affecting relationships, workplaces, and even personal choices. While the political divide is a reality, there are ways to bridge it. 1. Promote open dialogue. Encourage conversations where differing opinions are respected and understood, not attacked. 2. Educational initiatives. Educate the public on critical thinking and media literacy to help discern biases and form independent opinions. 3. Political reforms. Advocate for reforms that promote collaboration and discourage extreme partisanship in politics. Understanding the political divide is the first step towards addressing it. By recognizing the causes and impacts, and actively working towards bridging the gap, we can foster a more inclusive and productive society. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been insightful. Let's all contribute to a more understanding and cooperative world.